Myra Paz Abubakar, si Mr. Joget Giso. Salamat. Para po sa pagpapakilala ng ating exhibit sa gabi nito, ay hayaan niyo po ako aking basahin ang mismong paglalarawan nito mula sa actual na exhibit notes. Balaang Bata, an exhibition on the devotion to the Holy Child in the Philippines. Across the Philippines archipelago, devotion to the Santo Niño endures as one of the most intimate expressions of Filipino faith. The child Jesus is approached not with distant awe, but with familiar closeness. It is carried in processions, clothed with care, and welcomed into homes. From grand fiestas to quiet household altars, the Santo Niño mediates hope and hardship, healing amid illness, and joy amid uncertainty. His image bridges centuries of history, uniting pre-colonial notions of sacred presence with Christian belief and transforming suffering into resilience. In honoring the Santo Niño, the Filipinos affirm faith that is tender yet steadfast, playful yet profound, and deeply woven into everyday life, memory, and community. It remains a shared inheritance, shaping identity, ethics, compassion, and hope today. This exhibition invites you to encounter the Santo Niño not only as an icon, but as a living presence that reflects the Filipino soul's enduring faith, resilience, and joy. Ladies and gentlemen, Balaang Bata, an exhibition on the devotion to the Holy Child on the Philippines. At this point, ating pong tinatawagan ang aming ama, ang minamahal naming tagapangulo at punong tagapagpaganap ng National Commission for Culture and the Arts para po formal tayo sa gabi.